Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to enable two-step verification in Gmail. So you can do this from your desktop account or from your phone. So to start with, you want to click on your profile picture, which is usually in the top right-hand corner. Going to click on there and then find the section that says Manage your Google account. So I'm going to click on there. And then on the left-hand side, or it might be at the top if you're on your phone, I'm going to click on Security and Sign In. From there, I'm going to scroll down and you should see a section that says how you sign into Google. It says make sure that you can always access your Google account by keeping this information up to date. And right at the top, you should see two-step verification. So you can see mine is off at the moment. So I'm going to click on that. It will prompt me to enter my password. And so I'm going to click on next. And then it will give me a few more instructions for how to turn on two-step verification. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.